Welcome back to this ArchX tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to easily create a time registration from the calendar in ArchX. So without further ado, let's dive into the software. Voila, welcome back in your ArchX. We go directly to the calendar because we are creating this prestation or this time registration. So if you scroll to today, for example, I had a meeting at 9 a.m. I can click on that and create a time entry. Of course, here, because it's straightly from my calendar, I will have to choose the project that I am working on. So this is the house I'm working on, and the type of prestation is a meeting. Of course, these are still in Dutch. You would have them in English because you can add them for yourself. And then I can choose, because it was a meeting, I can choose to add kilometers. If this is just me working on a project internally, there is no option to add kilometers. And here, just like any other time entry, you can use start time and end time that he took for my calendar, or I can even edit that it was an hour and a half, or that it changed to 10:30, for example, that it was a longer meeting. And then, of course, here I have to choose whether this was already agreed on with the client, or if it is extra work for this project. The description is just internally, and you can choose to add it to the invoice later, yes or no. Voila, I can save this. I will not do this now, but you can easily just click on the meeting that you have, and you will open this one where you can create this time entry. That's the easiest way for after a long day of meetings to just add them all as working time. That's it. Good luck with it. See you soon. Bye bye.